was an overstatement. No, you're nothing like that. You can't
longer, hold me tighter. Mama told me I'm a fighter, but I see you creeping on me, and these thoughts are all below me. Love me longer, hold me tighter.
And greetings everyone, you are watching another MeekFro video. Hey, how you doing? Today we're talking about this Superline collection wig called Lace Part Wig LP Zay, Z-A-Y, in the color F430. Supposedly have a natural part, that's what the label says. This is what the wig looks like right out of the pack. I'm showing you guys the part, the deep lace part for a natural look, 100% hand tied part. And I'm basically just going to put this wig on for you guys and show you exactly how it looks right out of the pack. I'm showing you the inside of the wig as usual. There are no combs, you guys, none. Not at the top, not at the back, just adjustable straps as you can see. This is the middle part wig for those who would like to know. Also, it is synthetic. Y'all already know I end up smelling hair to see what it smells like, and this hair smells so good. It smells like shampoo, so I was actually shocked. I'm just showing you guys the part up close with the wig on. So if you follow my channel, you know me. I love big hair. So you already knew I was going to take my hands and run it through these curls to kind of get this wig to fit and match my face, to kind of shape it to my face, and to make this hair bigger. This wig is extremely comfortable, no irritable feelings, none of that type of thing going on. Very comfortable, like I said. It just does not have any combs in it, which is the only downfall, because this is a very pretty wig. So flowy, so soft, synthetic of course, but the softest wig I've ever felt. Oh my goodness, feels like human hair. But, oh, there it is right there. That is fit in my face, y'all. The only thing is that the front part starts to like fall forward after a while. Just showing you how long the wig is in the back. But yeah, all in all, like, this wig is really great. I love it. The only thing is there are no combs. So that's kind of a downfall for me. Other than that, it's great, you guys. So thanks guys so much for watching, and I'm just doing the shed test right now. No shedding really, just a couple strands here and there coming out, which is expected. So yeah, thanks guys so much for watching. Thumbs up this video for me, please. See you guys in the next one. Bye.